Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by prepping the pan and controlling heat. Use a heavy stainless steel to distribute heat evenly. Once the pan is dry, warm it over medium for 1-2 minutes. Add 1-2 teaspoons of a high-smoke oil and tilt to coat. Test temperature with 1 or 2 drops of water. When they bead and dance, the surface is ready. You do this because proper heat and oil create a temporary non-stick effect and reduce sticking when you add food. You now add food and focus on searing and temperature control. Place pieces in a single layer to ensure even contact. Once set down, resist moving protein for 2 to 4 minutes so the Maillard crust forms. That crust releases naturally. If oil begins to smoke, lower the heat to protect flavor. For thicker items, once seared, lower temperature and cover briefly to cook through without burning the exterior. This balance of time and heat gives consistent results. You finish the dish and clean the pan for longevity. After searing, remove food and deglaze while hot with wine, stock, or a splash of vinegar to lift brown bits into a sauce. Stir and reduce. Once cooled, wash with warm water and a non-abrasive pad. Use a baking soda paste for tough spots. If food sticks, try reheating with oil to loosen residues before scrubbing. Troubleshooting tip: if persistent sticking occurs, reassess your preheat and oil amount for next time.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.